Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. This is a professionally printed deck of my DIY cards. I paid to have this professionally printed like a normal deck of cards would be. I did put the sticker on it when it came, but other than that, yeah. Here's the DIY deck. You can already see that colors are a bit better here. And it's just a little bit larger. Mine turned out slightly small, but other than that, I mean, they're pretty close to being the same, but this is way better quality. I'll tell you that right now. I'm not gonna open this one because this is the one I'm giving away, but I am gonna open these and show you guys how awesome these cards look. So I've just put a little slit right here to break the seal. Then I can open up the deck, and it's pretty much just like my DIY so far, only the deck box looks a lot better. I have these cards that I made for myself, and yeah, I mean, the deck box obviously looks the same. It's just this one's much better quality. It's got a shine to it, and the colors are a bit better. And then if we take the cards out of the box, these feel so much better than my DIY cards. These feel like a real deck of cards. It does only have one Joker because it was 54 cards, or the only thing I could do beyond that I think was like 60 something. So I just ordered them with these two cards and then a regular deck. But these are really nice. I can, you know, do a fan and like, yeah, they just feel like real cards. And if I try to do that with my DIY deck, the fan is not gonna work. It does this. That's what it looks like when I try it with my deck. This one's not cut perfectly either. That's why this was not used for the giveaway. You can tell by the backs of them, it's a little, especially on this one, it's a little miscut. But yeah, this deck is amazing. It was not cheap to get these printed, but it was very, very much worth it. I'm so happy with this. I'm thinking about getting a couple more of these printed and then maybe signing the box or something and giving them away on my channel. So if that's something you guys might be interested in, let me know and maybe I'll do that. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.